Arc's space-based delivery vehicle unleashes a whole new era of speed, dropping cargo from orbit to Earth in just minutes. Its advanced re-entry system slices through the atmosphere with incredible control, landing with pinpoint precision anywhere on the planet. Built for ultra-fast, mission-critical deliveries, it brings life-saving supplies to disaster zones, boosts defense response times, and reshapes global supply chains with space-powered efficiency. Turning orbit into a worldwide express route, Arc proves that the future of on-demand connectivity is already here. The EHang VT-35 is redefining air mobility. This autonomous two-seater can take off and land vertically with its 8 lift propellers and rear pusher engine, cruising at over 216 kilometers per hour with a range of 200 kilometers. Designed for urban, coastal, and mountain routes, it flies pilot-free, guided by advanced AI and obstacle avoidance systems for total safety. Smart, efficient, and futuristic, the VT-35 is the next step toward a sky where anyone can fly. The Chinook helicopter, a true lifesaver in the skies. With its twin rotors and massive lifting power, this beast carries over 10,000 liters of water to battle raging wildfires where ground crews can't even reach. It refills in seconds and makes rapid, precise drops, cutting through smoke, heat, and chaos with unmatched stability. From saving forests to protecting entire communities, the CH-47 Chinook isn't just a helicopter, it's a flying powerhouse of hope and heroism. The Ophir-designed flying taxi is here to transform city travel. With vertical takeoff and landing, it glides above traffic, delivering fast, quiet, and eco-friendly transport for multiple passengers. Its sleek, compact frame launches from rooftop pads, powered by whisper-quiet electric propulsion and guided by advanced autonomous systems for total precision and safety. No more jams, no more delays. The Ophir Flying Taxi is the future of smart, sustainable urban mobility, taking flight today. The ESA space transport ecosystem reimagines how Europe reaches space with reusable rockets, autonomous spacecraft, and advanced orbital infrastructure working together in a seamless, efficient network. AI-driven mission planning and modular spacecraft make launches faster, safer, and dramatically more cost-effective. From satellite deployments to crewed exploration, its cutting-edge propulsion systems unlock a wider range of missions than ever before. And with a strong focus on sustainability, it reduces debris and environmental impact while pushing space travel into a smarter, cleaner future. The Dacia hipster concept brings urban living to life with a compact, aerodynamic design that glides through tight city streets while keeping its environmental footprint incredibly low. Inside, its smart modular layout offers flexible seating, advanced infotainment, and eco-friendly materials that make every drive feel effortlessly modern. Built for daily commutes and spontaneous weekend escapes, it blends technology, versatility, and true affordability in one bold package. Stylish, sustainable, and ready for tomorrow's lifestyles, this concept shows exactly where urban mobility is headed. The ocean never stops moving, so why should our energy? The wave power converter turns endless waves into non-stop electricity. Unlike solar or wind, it works 24/7, rain or shine, storm or calm. Built to survive the harshest seas, it's a powerhouse of clean, reliable energy that could light up entire cities. Imagine harnessing the raw power of the ocean to protect our planet and fuel the future. This isn't just innovation, it's a revolution. Vertex Axon Big Data turns overwhelming information into powerful, real-time intelligence that transforms decision-making across every industry. Its advanced AI, machine learning, and cloud analytics process massive data sets instantly, revealing patterns, trends, and anomalies you'd never catch on your own. With an intuitive interface for deep visualization and predictive modeling, Axon helps organizations optimize operations, boost performance, and act faster with total confidence. It's the engine that turns raw data into strategic advantage, whenever and wherever it's needed most. This powerful tidal turbine taps into the unstoppable force of the ocean, capturing predictable tidal currents to generate clean electricity day and night. With massive rotor blades engineered to thrive in extreme marine environments, it delivers consistent, reliable power strong enough to energize thousands of homes. Unlike wind or solar, this technology never depends on weather. Its steady output marks a bold new era of renewable energy. By turning the natural motion of the sea into one of our planet's most dependable green power sources, this turbine redefines what sustainable innovation can achieve. The VariLift airship is redefining sustainable aviation. Built from lightweight aluminum and powered by the sun, this solar hybrid giant uses helium for lift and aerodynamic engines for motion. No runway needed. It can take off vertically, carry massive cargo, and reach remote places where planes can't even dream of going. With zero emissions and incredible range, the VariLift isn't just an aircraft. It's a game changer for global transport and the future of green flight. The Boom XB-1 just shattered barriers. Literally. This supersonic demonstrator jet by Boom Supersonic hit Mach 1.122 at 35,000 feet, becoming the first privately built civil jet to break the sound barrier. Powered by 3 GE J85 engines and crafted from lightweight composites, it combines speed, efficiency, and silence with its boomless cruise tech that redirects sonic booms away from the ground. The XB-1 isn't just fast, it's the beginning of a new era in safe, accessible supersonic travel. The Janus Flying is a personal aircraft that fits in a suitcase. This compact VTOL folds up small enough to fit in your car trunk, yet it can lift a passenger with stability and ease of control. Powered by electric rotors, it's perfect for short-range travel, emergencies, or reconnaissance. Tiny but mighty, the Janus could redefine personal aviation, making flight portable, practical, and revolutionary. The NASA N3X isn't just a plane, it's the future of flight. With its blended wing body that fuses wings and fuselage into one sleek lifting surface, it slices through the air with unmatched efficiency. Powered by a turboelectric system using liquid hydrogen and superconducting tech, it drives dozens of electric fans for near-silent propulsion. The result, 70% less fuel, drastically lower emissions, and ultra-quiet skies. The N3X is NASA's bold vision for cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable aviation. The Liberty Lifter is a colossal game-changer in heavy transport. Skimming just above the water using ground effect, this massive American ekranoplan carries payloads rivaling a C-17 while using less fuel and bypassing runways. Perfect for rapid deployment, military logistics, and humanitarian missions, it can reach remote coastal and ocean regions faster than traditional aircraft. By 2028, the Liberty Lifter could redefine global high-speed heavy lift, turning impossible missions into reality. The Talon A2 just made aerospace history. It's the world's first fully recoverable hypersonic vehicle, soaring beyond Mach 5 before gliding safely back to Earth. Launched from the giant Roxy carrier aircraft, it proved that reusable hypersonic flight is real, cutting costs, turnaround time, and pushing the limits of what's possible in high-speed testing and transport. The TA-2 isn't just fast, it's the dawn of a new era in rapid, reusable hypersonic innovation. The Otto Phantom 3500 is private aviation reinvented. This futuristic business jet combines luxury, performance, and sustainability with laminar flow wings that cut drag and reduce fuel use by 60%. Inside, there are no windows, only panoramic supernatural vision displays that make every flight breathtaking. Cruising at 51,000 feet with a 3,500 nautical mile range, the Phantom 3500 offers eco-efficient, immersive travel like nothing you've ever seen. The Cirrus Vision Jet is a game-changer in personal aviation. As the world's first certified single-engine jet, it blends jet speed and performance with the simplicity of a small aircraft. Powered by a Williams FJ33-5A turbofan, it cruises at 311 knots for up to 1,200 nautical miles, perfect for regional travel. The cabin seats 7 with panoramic windows and intuitive Garmin avionics, while the Cirrus airframe parachute system ensures unmatched safety. Fast, sleek, and secure, the Vision Jet makes private flights smarter, safer, and more luxurious. A hotel that never lands. The nuclear-powered Sky Hotel is a floating city in the sky, designed to stay airborne for years without ever touching the ground. Powered by a nuclear fusion reactor, it can host over 5,000 guests in pure luxury. Think suites, restaurants, shopping malls, even 360-degree observation decks with breathtaking views of Earth. Guests would fly up mid-air in smaller aircraft to join this skyborne paradise. It's not just a hotel, it's a revolution in travel and luxury living where the journey never ends.